Hi, I'm Kishwar. You might know me from the most recent season of MasterChef this year, and I'm here to share a very special poem with you by Georgia, a grade 5 student at Our Lady of Fatima College Primary School in Caringbah, New South Wales. Here it goes. It's called Black Cockatoo. A dark shadow passes by, soaring through the blue sky. Colour darker than midnight, she stands out in the morning light. Hints of yellow appear on black tail as she perches on a tree and feeds her hatchlings, small and frail. A black feather drifts towards me as I watch the black cockatoo fly free. Thank you, Georgia, so much for this lovely poem and sharing it with me. See you all next time.